In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use CashApp for Etsy sellers step by step. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and download your CashApp. Once you go ahead and do so, you want to simply go ahead and proceed by creating an account. Just enter your email, your password, and click on sign up. And then it will ask you to verify your identity, your legal name, your legal last name, your date of birth. You can also connect multiple different accounts like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citibank, and many, many more. Simply go ahead and do so. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and have your account right over here. Simply go ahead and get your Cashtag. So it is going to be on your profile right below your name, which is going to say $signs and your Cashtag. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and share your Cashtag with Etsy buyers. So it is as simple as that. When a buyer simply goes ahead and makes payment into that exact Cashtag, you will receive the account to your account, or you will receive the amount to your account. So it is as simple as that. Then you can simply go ahead and use that payment to transfer it to your bank, and you can even cash out. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.